If x squared minus 3x minus 4 is a factor of f of x equals x cubed plus ax squared plus bx minus 20, find the values of the constants a and b and the other factor of f of x. So first of all, we're going to factorize the x squared minus 3x minus 4. So x squared minus 3x minus 4 will factorize to give x minus 4 multiplied by x plus 1. So we're going to let what's inside each of the brackets equal to 0. So x minus 4 equals 0, so x is equal to 4. And x plus 1 is equal to 0, so x is equal to minus 1. So then we're going to find f of 4 and f of minus 1. So we're going to start with f of 4. So we're going to swap each of those x's for 4 with brackets around it. So we get 4 cubed plus a times 4 squared plus b times 4 minus 20, which gives us 64 plus 16a plus 4b minus 20 equals 0. We're going to bring our constants over to the right of the equal sign. So we get 16a plus 4b equals minus 44. Then we divide across by 4, getting 4a plus b equals minus 11. So now we have one equation in terms of a and b. Then we do the same with minus 1. So we're going to get f of minus 1 by swapping each of those x values for minus 1 with brackets around it. So we get minus 1 cubed plus a times minus 1 squared plus b times minus 1 minus 20. So we get minus 1 plus a minus b minus 20, and we let that equal to 0. Then we rearrange the equation so that we've got our letters on the left and our numbers on the right. So we end up with a minus b equals 21. Now we have a second equation in terms of a and b. Now we're going to solve them simultaneously. So we take the 4a plus b equals minus 11, write it down here. Take the a minus b equals 21, write it down here, and solve simultaneously. So the b and the minus b will cancel out straight away. We didn't have to change any signs. 4a plus a is 5a, minus 11 plus 21 is 10. And 10 divided by 5 is 2, so a is equal to 2. So now we're going to substitute a into one of these equations, doesn't matter which one, I'm going to go with the top one, to find b. So we have 4a plus b equals minus 11. We swap the a for 2, so we've got 4 times 2 plus b equals minus 11. So 8 plus b equals minus 11. So b equals minus 11 minus 8, so b equals minus 19. So we found the values of a and b. A is 2 and b is minus 19. So we're going to go back to our equation at the top. So we have x cubed plus ax squared plus bx minus 20. We're going to swap that a for 2 and that b for minus 19. So we're going to set up our bus stop. So we have x cubed plus 2x squared minus 19x minus 20. So that 2 we swapped for a because we got a is equal to 2, and that minus 19 we swapped for b because we got b equals to minus 19. So then we're going to divide our factor, which is x squared minus 3x minus 4, into our polynomial, so into our bus stop. So we take the highest pair of x inside the bus stop, which is x cubed, divided by the highest pair of x outside the bus stop, which is x squared. And x cubed divided by x squared is x, so x goes on top of the bus stop. Then we multiply x by what's in front of the bus stop. So we get x times x squared is x cubed, x times minus 3x is minus 3x squared, x by minus 4 is minus 4x. We're going to take this and write it down under the bus stop. We change the signs. The new signs are written in red. The x cubes cancel out. 2x squared plus 3x squared is 5x squared. Minus 19x plus 4x is minus 15x. Then we bring down the minus 20 and we repeat the process. We take the highest pair of x inside the bus stop, which is 5x squared, divided by the highest pair of x outside the bus stop, which is x squared. 5x squared divided by x squared is 5. So 5 goes on top of the bus stop. Then we multiply the 5 by what's in front of the bus stop. 5 by x squared is 5x squared. 5 by minus 3x is minus 15x. 5 by minus 4 is minus 20. So we take the 5x squared minus 15x minus 20. We write it down here. We change the signs. The new signs are written in red. These will all cancel. We get a remainder of 0. So therefore, the other factor is x plus 5. So that is our other factor of our polynomial.